Do you have wire laying around your workshop collecting dust? Are you looking for ways to make extra cash? Are you tired of the low prices you get paid from the scrap dealers when you take them your scrap wire? Look no further. Introducing the CWS-1 heavy-duty wire stripping machine. It strips wire from 14 gauge to 3 inch, quickly, easily, and efficiently. You probably know that scrap copper is worth money. Stripped wire is worth nearly 2 times as much as coated wire. Bottom line, if you have scrap wire, it pays for you to strip it. Our CWS-1 wire stripper has an elegant anodized aluminum frame, which makes this machine the lightest in its competition class. This also is a bonus when you need to move the machine from work area to work area. The CWS-1 is made here in North America, with a team of highly skilled craftsmen who take pride in their work. Take, for example, the blades on this machine. They are made from high-strength tool steel, which will easily outlast the competitions. Some of the key benefits of this machine include: 1. Our unit weighs less than the competition. 2. In the event that you have to change the blade on our machine, it has the quickest replacement time of all the machines on the market. What takes the competition hours, we can do in minutes. And number 3, the best of all, our machine costs less than the competition. Make money with your scrap wire. This unit will pay for itself quickly. After that, the rest will go into your pockets. To order a copper wire stripper CWS-1, call toll-free 866-901-2278. Again, 866-901-2278. Or by email info@Bluedog.com. Again, that's info@Bluedog.com. Don't scrap it, strip it.